This is the ecom. The ecom retains all the best functions of the Ego product line, such as a changeable atomizer head, a transparent e-juice window, upper air inlet, battery protection system, twist adjustable function with VV mode and VW mode, USB charge port, and new surface treatment process with abrasion resistance and high hardness. Of course, the ecom has its own features. The battery is adjustable under the VV and VW modes, and it will automatically adjust the voltage in accordance with the resistance of the atomizer. The ecom also boasts a more suitable size, the more fashionable design, and the best practical functions. These make the ecom unique. It is another grand product for all e-cigarette users around the world from Joyetech. This is the new C2 atomizer head, a newly designed atomizer head with a resistance of 2.4 ohms, whose max voltage load can be 4.5 volts, so it can work under high voltage. It is the first atomizer head in the world that can work under variable voltage. Not only that, but also it is completely immersed in the e-juice during use, which allows heavy vapor in a short time. Also, it will prevent vaping once the e-juice runs out, which lengthens the service life of the atomizer as well. Now, let's disassemble the ecom. First, we remove the atomizer tube from the battery, and we use the tool provided to unscrew the atomizer base from the atomizer tube. Once the atomizer base is removed, we simply pull the atomizer head off the base and replace it with a new one. When replacing, be sure to press firmly. Now, we screw the atomizer base back into the atomizer tube using the tool provided until it is firm. And we'll replace onto the battery. It's very simple. Now, let's turn it on. First, press the button 5 times in quick succession until you see the light appear. The button light will flash 5 times to indicate the ecom is ready for use. In the same way, the ecom can be powered off after 5 presses. 2, 3, 4, 5. And we notice the light blinks 5 times. Now, press the button and inhale. When the button is held down, the button light will be illuminated and will gradually go off once the button is released. By rotating the regulation ring clockwise or counterclockwise, we can adjust the voltage or wattage output. It also has some functions like the previous Ego series e-cigs: battery charge indication, low battery warning, short circuit protection, and atomizer protection. When the device is powered off, press and hold the button for more than 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And we'll see that the VW light comes on. Hold again for 5 seconds and it will switch to the VV light, VW light, VV light. When you let go and repower the ecom on, it will be in whichever mode you last selected, in this case, VV mode. Now let's talk about the power indication, or battery life, remaining in your ecom. When pressing the button, if the battery charge is 60% or above, the corresponding mode light will stay on. And when it is lower than 60%, the light flashes continuously. The less charged the battery is, the faster the light flashes. When the power is between 30 and 59%, the LED flashes slowly. When the power is between 10 and 29%, the LED will flash faster. And when the power is between 0 and 9%, the LED will flash very quickly. When first plugging the USB into the USB charge port on the side of the ecom, we'll notice that the button light will flash 5 times. It will then continuously flash until fully charged, at which point it will remain on. We can see here that our button light is remaining on, indicating that we are at 100% charge. Now let's talk about the air inlet valve. Unscrew the mouthpiece from the atomizer to access the air inlet valve. You can then use the special tool provided to adjust the air inlet. When the valve is placed toward the inside, it means you should vape in a heavy draw. If it is placed toward the middle, you can vape in a normal draw, and when it is placed to the outside, you vape in the largest draw. It's an easy, airy draw, just like the Ego CC. Last but not least, I'll demonstrate how to add the e-liquid. After the mouthpiece is unscrewed, we find the small hole labeled fill. We simply unscrew our e-juice, pour it into the hole, and squeeze. And we will watch the e-juice fill in the transparent e-juice window. It's very simple. Now we will replace the mouthpiece, and that's it. Once again, thanks for watching.